Hello everyone, we are Group 7. The event we are going to plan is the UKM International Cultural Exchange Festival 2026. Our group member is DINGSHUO, Chen ZIHAO, ZHAO, ZHANG HAOXUAN.
Hello everyone. Our proposed event is the UKM International Cultural Exchange Festival, Etiquette the Cultural Exchange. As a multicultural university, UKM brings together the students from different countries and cultural backgrounds. In today's globalized world, understanding different cultures and practicing proper etiquettes are important skills for effective communication and collaboration. This festival aims to provide a platform for local and international students to share their cultures, learn from one another, and build meaningful connections. Through cultural activities and etiquette sharing sessions, participants can develop greater cultural awareness and mutual respect. This event has three main objectives. First, to promote cultural understanding and appreciation among students from diverse backgrounds. Second, to enhance participants' knowledge of international etiquette and improve their cross-cultural communication skills. Third, to strengthen friendships and networking between local and international students, creating a more inclusive and harmonious UKM community. Overall, this festival encourages cultural exchange, mutual respect, and stronger connections among students.
Hello everyone, so in this slide I will present the event details for our festival. First, let me talk about the date and time. The festival will be held on the 18th October 2026. The preparations start at 9 a.m. and the official event runs from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We chose a weekend to make sure all members can attend easily. So next is the event venue. After discussion, we decide to dictate that one considered Abbas Raza as our only venue. Different from outdoor area, Dictor is a full indoor hall with air conditioning. Since Malaysia weather is hot and raining, and the indoor venue can effectively avoid the hot, discomfortable and sunny rain. The room is divided into the stage area, culture booth zone, dining room, and talk area to meet all activity need. Then, for the target audience, this event mainly target local and international UKM students. We also welcome university staff and invite VIP guests, including school leaders and country representatives. Lastly, the event server and scar. Our term focus on the cultural communication and etiquette learning. We expect around 1,200 to 1,500 participants. We prepare 33 culture booths, 12 culture performances, and one intercultural sharing season. So now, let me move to the event schedule. So on this slide, I will briefly talk about our schedule and the main etiquette. VIP guests are invited to join the opening ceremony. After that, they can walk around the culture booths. So for other activity and closing ceremony, they can choose to join or leave freely according to their own arrangement. And the whole event goes smoothly step by step from preparation, open ceremony, booth visiting, launch performance to the close part. So etiquette actually is the key part of our festival. We set clearly rules for the reception, ceremonies, communication, dining, and leaving the venue. All those rules help us keep a political and harmonious atmosphere. This is all for event details and schedule. Thank you.
Now I will explain our marketing and promotion strategy. Our promotion plan is divided into three stages: pre-event, during event, and post-event. Before the event, we will use emails, social media platforms, posters, and WhatsApp messages to promote the festival. Our communication measures will be bilingual to ensure accessibility for both local and international participants. During the event, digital signage and information booklets will help visitors understand the schedule and event guidelines. We will also provide cultural photo booths and trained volunteers to assist participants and answer questions. After the event, thank you emails, social media highlights, online service, and the certificates will be provided to maintain engagement and gather feedback for future improvements. Overall, this strategy aims to maximize participation, improve communication, and create a positive experience for all attendees. Now I will present the budget and financial plan for the festival. The estimated total budget is 20,300 ringgit, which is designed to support approximately 1,200 to 1,500 participants. The main sources of income include UKM HOMA grants, support from the UKM International Office, embassy sponsorships, both rental fees and on-site snake sales. On the expenditure side, the largest costs are venue and equipment rental, operations, catering, marketing activities, and cultural performances. We have also allocated a contingency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This financial plan ensures that events can be organized efficiently while maintaining financial sustainability and accountability.
Okay, now I will introduce how practical and adequate principles will be implemented throughout the festival. From guest reception to the closing ceremony, all activities follow appropriate adequate guidelines. For example, guests will be welcomed respectfully, VIPs will be escorted according to protocol, and audience member will be observed proper behavior during speeches and performance. Special attention is also given to intercultural communication. Participants will be encouraged to use respectfully language, listen actively, and avoid interrupting others during discussions. By integrating practical and etiquette into every stage of the event, the festival becomes more than just a cultural celebration. It also serves as a practical demonstration and professional communication skills learned in its course.
Okay, now I will include our project and briefly explain our risk response and measures. First, regarding the core outcomes of this event, I summarize them into 3 points. First, successful application of case theory. Our proposal strictly follows the course's requirements, integrating the 3 stages of event management: pre-event, during event, and post-event, with UKM's institutional, hierarchy, and format protocol. Second, creating a platform for cultural harmony and etiquette learning. This festival features 32 cultural bosses and 12 performances with etiquette guidance throughout. Our goal is to turn the DECTAR into an inclusive space where students can share their cultures, and learn different etiquettes from other countries. And also, it can reduce the misunderstanding of each other and build the friendships of students. Third, readiness to institute a high standard international event. Our proposal covers the budget, promotion, event agenda, and for the plans. We are fully ready to deliver a high quality culture exchange festival is aligned with UKM's international version. That concludes our outcomes. So next I will briefly explain the risk response plan. We have prepared for four possible scenarios. First, VIP absence or delay. We will use the battle time and adjust the speaking order by seniority to avoid diplomatic embarrassment. Second, is have the equipment feature. We have backup microphones ready, and the MC will use format calming scripts to maintain respect and silence. Third, culture misunderstanding. Volunteers will discreetly intervene using the etiquette cards and offer a polite apology in pretty. So fourth, and it's also the last. It can also have the overcrowding or safety issues. We will deploy first aid case, guide the cohort, and use no-verbal emergency silence signals instead of shouting to the cohorts. Okay, let's conclude our project summary and risk response. Okay, that's all for our project. Thank you for listening.